Eckhart has been an industrial manufacturing solutions provider since 1958.
Radford's built a number of really cool cars, and we're revitalizing the brand.
We're the company that someone comes to and they need it built the first time.
Stratasys is announcing that we've become a NASCAR competition partner.
TRD finds itself in a very competitive business. 3D printing really allows us to stay at the forefront of that.
Working with Stratasys has been a great opportunity for us. Some of the benefits include getting around the tooling requirement of typical plastic parts, while also being able to have a quicker turnaround time as well.
We have printers on the shop floor, which is, that's the dream, right? I can create something in 3D, send it to the printer here, pull it straight off later that day, and we can just drop them on the car straight away.
We know we're always going to get a good quality product. We know we're not going to have issues with the printers. Once they show up, they're going to work.
We typically have all 3 printers running nonstop, 7 days a week. We produce hundreds, if not, depending upon what the builds are, thousands of parts for that time.
Some of the properties that we like about ABS-C F10 is it's lightweight and it gives the extra strength and material that people are looking for.
Eckhart's motto is for the life of your line. Anytime we can replace a historically metal component with a lightweight but equally strong, if not stronger, plastic component, then we believe we have fulfilled exactly the promise to our customers that we've made.
Now, a customer can hypothetically walk in, change that detail, and we can create a unique part, like a door card, that suits our customer. We get that one-off experience, and we have the ability to do that at the press of a button.
By going with the 3D printing technology, we're able to take a 3 to 4 month project and get it down in about 8 weeks.
I don't have any worries whatsoever. I start a print that's 3.5 days long, and the most inconvenient part is being impatient and waiting on the part to finish.
We took a lot of feedback and a lot of advice from the engineers and the experts at Stratasys to help direct us in what we really needed. That was a great dialogue back and forth between our engineers here and the engineers at Stratasys that led us to a solution.
Toyota has a reputation for very high quality, and one of the things that we have to do is pick partners such as Stratasys that can allow us to achieve that.
We have a lot of projects that are going on at one time with a lot of parts and a lot of stuff that needs to get done quickly, and we don't have the time to print a part 2, 3, 4 times to get it right. We need to have one and done, and we always get that with Stratasys.